Hi everyone, welcome to my review of the LOFREE Flow2 84 triple mode low profile mechanical keyboard. This is a stunning keyboard straight away. I bought this in with my own money. It's gasket mount, CNC milled aluminium body. It's got I think a 5-layer dampening design, full POM low profile switches, and PBT double shot keycaps, so really nice quality keycaps on here as well. It works 2.4G, Bluetooth and wired as well. 3000 milliamp hour battery inside. I think the battery's in this end compartment just here. Also works with Windows, Android, Mac and iOS. It's VIA or VIA compatible. And this one is the space grey version with the black keys. I think the switches inside this one, if I remember rightly, are the pulse switches inside here. So this has got pulse switches inside. And it's available also in like a silvery colour with the white keycaps. This one I think is a little bit better because when you've got the backlight on, the keys are more visible. So I do like that. There's also this touch bar down the side and USB-C for charging or using it wired. And this touch bar on the Mac at least allows you to change your volume and or brightness of the screen. That's really cool. It's one piece of metal for this top section. Then there's another piece of metal on the bottom. It's got little feet that come out for angling the keyboard. Underneath this foot is the switch for turning the keyboard on. I'll show you this backlight. So we turn this on, you can see the backlight, really nice and shine through keycaps. You can see in low light, you can see what your keys you're typing with. Let's just turn this off and pop it back down on the desk. I sort of wish there was more than this one angle, but this angle is fine for me. This is how it sounds. I think it sounds brilliant. Nice deep sound, really responsive keys as well. They're low profile, but very, very responsive. It's got a nice fast typing action. And although it's a mechanical keyboard, you can obviously hear it. It's not that obtrusive. So there's a little bit of subtleness to it. So I don't think it would annoy somebody if you were using this in the same room as them. Negatives, I mentioned the feet. I wish there was more than that one extra angle. And also this is a little bit sharp. It's not uncomfortable, just worth mentioning that compared to some keyboards that have got a little chamfer on the edge, this one's quite sort of sharp. Love the little branding in the corner there. Quality of the keycaps is absolutely top notch, really good. And I've been really enjoying this. Been using this on my Mac Mini and it's been working flawlessly. Really nice. Obviously got the Apple keycaps on here. I think you get extra keycaps inside the box. Can't remember, don't quote me on that, but it's very, very nice. Really nice, very responsive, beautifully made. I think LOFREE with the Flow2 have done a brilliant job. There are other options. This one, as I mentioned earlier, with the, I think, was it the pulse switches? I've got to check again. Yeah, with the pulse switches is the space grey version. And then I think in the silver and white version, you've got a couple of different options for switches on that particular keyboard. But this is brilliant. Really nice keyboard and comes highly recommended. Now, if you want to pick up one for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description area. And if you enjoyed my video, please do hit the like button on the video. And it really helps me out as well if you subscribe and also hit the notification bell. I've noticed a lot of you that are watching my videos aren't subscribed. So if you do subscribe and hit the notification bell, you'll get a notification when I upload a new video. And that really does help the channel out. I want to thank you all for watching. Drop me some comments. I'll see you in another video very, very soon.